Let's learn more about love.
Sugar Astronaut presents Spanish Made Easy.
Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog. Today we will talk about love. And we will go over several phrases that are pretty useful to show love to that special one. You probably know already te amo and te quiero in Spanish. If you don't know those phrases, I recommend you watch another lesson where I explain everything about those phrases. Click here. Today we will not only talk about those two phrases, but we will go over other phrases that you can use. For this, I will use my phone, and I actually found a really interesting article. And this article is on theculturetrip.com. This is by Jessica Jones. That's such a cool name. That reminds me of that famous female superhero. And you can see here that it says 10 beautiful ways to say I love you in Spanish. So let's see what we can learn. I will not read the whole article, but we will just talk about the phrases. So I'm gonna leave the link to this article in the video description down below. If you're interested, you can read the whole thing. Okay, so the first phrase is te quiero / te amo. Te quiero, or te amo. And here it says that te quiero is a more casual way to say I love you. It's not as intense as te amo, and you can use te quiero with friends and they will not freak out. They will be like, that's nice, right? But if you say to a friend, te amo, well, that might be a little confusing. And usually te amo is just for family or for that special one, boyfriend or girlfriend, even your wife or husband as well. Obviously, te amo is a more intense way to say I love you, or a more sentimental way to say I love you. Now, te quiero is also a phrase that you can use with your boyfriend or girlfriend, wife or husband. Now, if someone tells you te amo and you love that person, you should say yo también te amo instead of te quiero or yo te quiero. So that's a way to say I love you back. So if you say te amo, the other person can say yo también te amo. And same for te quiero. So if someone tells you te quiero and you want to say te quiero back, you can say yo también te quiero. So that's pretty easy. Now let's move on. The next phrase is me caes bien. Me caes bien. Now this article says here that me caes bien means I like you. Yes, it's correct. It's something similar to saying I like you. So if you're getting to know someone that you are actually liking, then you can say me caes bien. Me caes bien before saying te quiero or te amo, right? So you can say me caes bien. Also, you can use me caes bien with any friend. If you like a friend, either a woman or a man, you can say me caes bien. Me caes bien. Now, the next one says, eres el amor de mi vida. Eres el amor de mi vida. This means you are the love of my life. So this is a serious phrase. When you are really in love with someone, you can say, eres el amor de mi vida. That's some love right there, for sure. The article says, definitely not one for a first date. So yeah, do not say te amo on a first date. Do not say eres el amor de mi vida on a first date, or even te quiero. Those phrases are quite serious and you should not say them just like that. You should get to know the person first, and then, later on you can say those phrases. So that way you won't scare that special one away. Let's see the next one. The next one says, eres mi media naranja. Eres mi media naranja. This is a quite interesting one because it means literally you're my half orange. It's quite confusing. This means that you were incomplete without that special person in your life. Now that you met this person, you are now complete. You're not missing anything in your life. So yeah, it's pretty much like saying you're my soulmate or my other half, right? Like this article says. And you can say this phrase to your girlfriend or boyfriend. Once you get married, you can say it as well, but I think this phrase is more to say, hey, you complete me. You know, and you can say that to your husband or wife as well, because it's always good to be romantic even after getting married. But yeah, this is a really good phrase that if you say it in Spanish, oh my God, that's gonna show that you really know Spanish. Okay, so now let's see the next one. It says, te quiero con todo mi corazón. Te quiero con todo mi corazón. So this means I love you with all my heart. And yeah, this is also a serious phrase. So you need to be careful when to use it. And you need to be sure that when you use it, you're pretty committed to the relationship. Oh boy. Yeah, so people say this on Valentine's Day. So actually, I think all of these phrases that we've seen so far are used on Valentine's Day. Although if you are in a relationship, I think you should say all of these phrases pretty often, just to show love, you know. Okay, the next one is te ves hermosa or te ves hermoso esta noche. Te ves hermosa esta noche or te ves hermoso esta noche. Okay, now I see something here that it's a little weird. It's correct to say te ves hermosa esta noche. And it means you look beautiful tonight. Now, people don't say often te ves hermoso esta noche. It's like saying to a guy, you look beautiful tonight. I mean, you can say that if you want to, but I think you would say you look handsome tonight. So it's the same in Spanish. I think a better way to say this to a guy is te ves guapo esta noche. Te ves guapo esta noche. This literally means you look handsome tonight. So I would not use hermoso. I would use guapo instead. Now you can also say te ves guapa esta noche. That means also you look hot or beautiful tonight. That's specifically for a girl. Okay, so yeah, I think te ves hermoso esta noche is not that correct. Now let's see the next one. ¿Quieres pasar? ¿Quieres pasar? This one, it's tricky because it is not romantic as it says here. It could be depending on the situation. So if you're on a date with someone, at the end of the date, you might want to say to this person, would you like to come in? So yeah, I mean, if you want to say that, you could say that quieres pasar, right? So you don't want the date to end, but you could also say quieres pasar to anyone, you know? It's not only for a romantic situation. So yeah, it means would you like to come in? So yeah, that's an okay phrase. Now the next one is estoy loco or estoy loca por ti. Estoy loco por ti or estoy loca por ti. Yeah, this means I'm crazy about you. So you could say this, I will say, after a second date. If everything goes well, you could say, estoy loco or loca por ti. Okay. Now, the next one is mi amor, cariño, cielo. I've never heard before someone saying mi amor, cariño, cielo, just all at once. So this article says that the phrase means my love, my darling, and my sky. My sky, that's so yeah, you can call your boyfriend or girlfriend mi amor only. You don't have to say mi amor, cariño, cielo. I don't know if it's only one phrase here. I haven't heard that before, but I've heard before mi amor, mi amor. So if you want to start talking to your girlfriend or boyfriend, you can say mi amor, mi amor, ¿estás ahí? Or mi amor, ¿me escuchas? Or mi amor, ¿puedes venir? So that's a way to say love or my love. Can you come here? Or do you hear me? And something like that, right? So you can say only mi amor, and that's fine. Now, another thing that I know for sure is that cariño can be used just by itself, either to refer to your boyfriend or girlfriend, husband or wife. So you can use cariño just like you use mi amor. So it is really a romantic way to call your loved one. Now, mi cielo is also something commonly used. So just as mi amor, you can say mi cielo, or just cariño. You know what I mean? So you can either use mi amor just by itself, or mi cielo, or cariño, and they all work the same. It's just a romantic way to refer to your boyfriend, girlfriend, wife, or husband. Okay, now the next one says, ¿Quieres casarte conmigo? ¿Quieres casarte conmigo? This means, this is the question. This is like the most romantic phrase that you can say to someone is ¿Quieres casarte conmigo? And this means, will you marry me? So if you want to propose marriage, that's the question you need. ¿Quieres casarte conmigo? ¿Quieres casarte conmigo? Yeah, so I think that's it. So romantic. So yeah, this is pretty interesting. It's really good, except for that phrase that I told you about. Te ves hermoso esta noche. That is a little weird. You can say te ves guapo esta noche instead of hermoso. So yeah, that's pretty interesting. I think we learned a lot from this. So now you don't only know te amo or te quiero, you can say a bunch of other phrases. And I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think about these phrases. Also, you can leave down below any other love phrase in Spanish that you like and you have used before. If you have any questions about this specific topic, please just leave them down below. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Also, you can donate to this channel and it will be greatly appreciated if you can do so. Click on the Patreon logo on the screen for more information, and I'm leaving the link to that same page in the video description down below. I'm on Facebook, Google+, Twitter, Instagram, Periscope, Snapchat. All the links are also in the video description. Thank you for watching this video, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!